WheelerShip.com makes finding affordable, high-quality car parts easy. Since 2010, our family-owned e-commerce store has been the leading trusted source for OEM and reproduction wheels, lighting, and top-quality replacement auto parts for retail customers and wholesalers alike. We not only offer top-quality parts and accessories at affordable, competitive prices, but our years of automotive expertise inspire confidence in our customers, ensuring they find the right part the first time. Whether by email, chat, or over the phone, our live customer care team is ready to assist. Real parts, real people, real savings. Get back on the road faster. Shop WheelerShip.com. Providing quality, affordable solutions for drivers since 2010.